Welcome to Slide Egg. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a hanging indent in Google Slides. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, open your Google Slides presentation. To begin, head over to the View tab and click on Show Ruler. This will make the ruler appear at the top of your slide, which we'll need for the next steps. Now, select the text you want to apply the hanging indent to. You'll notice a little arrow on the ruler. When you hover over it, you can move it to adjust the indent. Drag that arrow to the right, and then look at the ruler again. Right above the arrow you just moved, you'll see a small blue box. Here's the magic: click and drag that blue box back to the left, and make sure it's set at 0 inches. Once you release your cursor, you'll see the hanging indent applied to your text. From here on out, if you type another reference, it'll automatically have the hanging indent, which is such a time saver. This is especially useful for works cited lists, helping you keep everything neat and consistent. Check it out as I type another reference, and you'll see the hanging indent apply automatically. And hey, if you ever want to remove the hanging indent, it's easy, just adjust it on the ruler, and you're good to go. So that's it. You've learned how to add a hanging indent in Google Slides. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.